Have you ever wondered how some people get richer during a recession, while others panic and lose everything? What if I told you that the smartest investors actually wait for crashes and that you can too? This video is your step-by-step guide to profiting during a recession, where we turn financial confusion into confidence. Today, we're breaking down how to profit from a recession by investing smart when markets are down. Stick around until the end. We'll reveal a bonus tip that very few beginner investors know. 1. Understand what a recession is first. Let's define it. A recession is when the economy shrinks for 2 quarters in a row. Job losses rise. Businesses slow down. The stock market drops. Sounds scary, right? But for investors, this is a goldmine of opportunity. 2. Don't panic, think long term. The worst thing you can do is panic sell your investments. Markets always recover over time. Look at the 2008 crash or the 2020 pandemic drop. Those who stayed in the game made serious returns. So, rule number 1. Think long term. Don't let fear make decisions for you. 3. Use dollar cost averaging. This is your recession-proof investment weapon. Instead of trying to time the market, invest a fixed amount every month, whether the market is up or down. That way, when prices are low during a crash, you buy more shares for less. It's consistent, it's disciplined, and it works. 4. Invest in defensive sectors. Some industries keep making money even in a recession. Focus on consumer staples, healthcare, utilities. These are essential. People buy them no matter what the economy is doing. 5. Look for value stocks. Recessions make good companies look cheap. That's when value investors like Warren Buffett step in. Look for strong cash flow, low debt, consistent profits. Buy them while they're down. Hold them while they grow. 6. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. During a recession, you want a mix of stocks, bonds, cash, gold, or silver. Diversification protects you from big lossy and opens more opportunities. 7. Keep an emergency fund. Before you invest heavily, make sure you've got savings for 3 to 6 months of expenses. You never want to be forced to sell investments at a loss because of an emergency. Your emergency fund is your safety net. Don't skip it. 8. Bonus tip. Invest in yourself. Recessions are also a great time to level up. Learn new skills. Start a side hustle. Take online courses. The ROI in self-education is massive and no market crash can take that away. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button to support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a strategy that can change your financial life. Question of the day. What's your biggest concern about investing during a recession? Drop it in the comments. I reply to as many as I can. Remember, wealth is built when others are fearful. You don't have to be a financial genius. Just consistent, educated, and calm. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.